Welcome traders, welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Hope that you guys have a great week. Coming up, another trading week, pretty exciting week and day, and we are almost at the end of the week and expecting very exciting weekend as well. So this is Friday, we can have some good movement at the end of the session. Thank you for joining this live session. I would appreciate if you are here, say yes, so that I know that you are here and we can begin count on the analysis and everything. Hope that everyone being present here for this live session. And before I progress further, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Looking at a couple of charts, we saw that gold had a very strong breakout. Pretty strong breakout on gold. And if we look at other instrument as well, so we'll be looking at, and we can see that from gold perspective, it's a very strongly bullish at the moment. From the daily, 4-hour and the lower time frame, we can see that gold is in a very strong bullish momentum. So what we can see here, lower time frame, also gold showing pretty strongly bullish. What we can expect in this market, this is a, you can see this is a bullish structure. We saw, as expected, on the lower time frame a break of structure, and we might see now a continuation pattern. This is almost at the end of the week, so we also looking at the weekly candle. We see that there is a bullish price action, and from the monthly as well, pretty strongly bullish, weekly bullish. And if we look at the daily, we can see that it's a bull market from the daily as well. Therefore, from the 4-hour perspective, okay, so we can see that there is a very strong bounce, and with that bounce, this is a pretty strong bounce, expecting for the market to come back down for a deeper pullback and then to trend again in the major direction. So we can see that on the lower time frame as well, this is also bullish market structure on the lower time frame. If we look at the 15 minutes, what we can see that from the 15 minutes perspective, quite a few long week liquidity candle formation. This market structure signaling potential further continuation pattern to the upside. What I see that on gold is we might see that the market may remain potentially bullish to the upside. We'll see what happened, and in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So let's see where the market is heading. This is an important support at the moment on gold. And with that support, we are expecting gold to, I'm expecting gold to come back down further for another potentially bullish opportunity. Couple of levels that we have drawn, 2559 level or 2560 level is very important. If it drops down here, we can look for potential bullish, as it will be an important support level, especially below this doji is high liquidity zone. So this is what we did the gold, and also we'll be looking at other instrument as well before we progress further. Hello, thank you very much, Anthony. Welcome for joining the live session. Good job. Feet, welcome. Island Cooking, good morning. Sanjaya, yes, thank you very much. Abdulaziz, yes, thank you. What's the expect from the market today? Yes, we're with you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome. Also, free Telegram channel link given in the live chat. You can join the free Telegram channel for more trade ideas, updates like that. Good evening. Thank you very much. EG, welcome. Thank you. And also, let me introduce yourself, guys and girls, where you are from currently. To know you more about will be helpful. Thank you. Omar, welcome. Welcome. Okay, so what we can see here, this is a 15-minute perspective. Okay, so what we can see here on the 15 minutes, a pretty strong drop and then consolidation. Therefore, you can see in the lower time frame it's now dropping back down. Okay, so you can see that a pretty strong drop here on gold, and with that drop back to back two dodges formation here. So this is a support level here. Okay, so with that support, pretty strong drop. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. You can see that I think that if the price dropping back to this level, if we look at the 1 minute and 5 minutes, if the market dropping to this support will be an important level that we can look at. Thank you. Thanks for joining the live session, traders. And also, I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Watching from England, thank you, Sanjaya. Good day. Watching from Philippines, good job. Thank you for joining. Well. Okay, so if we look at here, okay, you can see that a very sharp drop followed by a narrow pullback. Expecting another drop. That's what I'm waiting for, the market to drop down further to this support level, and then after dropping back to the support, we can look for potential bullish entry opportunity in this market. We'll see that where it is heading. So you can see that a very strong drop. There's a gap open also here in this area, expecting it to come back down to the support, and then we will be looking for potential entry. Thank you, guys. Awesome, pretty strong movement here on gold, and you can see that this is a very strong red candle formation. With this red candle on the 15-minute chart, a big drop, pullback, and what we can expect for the market to come back down to the support level to see how the price is doing, and based on that we can look for potential entry opportunity. And also looking at Looking at the calendar is very important, because we'll see that how the market might be impacting today. I think there isn't high impact news. Yesterday you have seen the PPI has been published, has been released. So if we look at the calendar here, okay, so you can see that on so next coming Tuesday, another big day for core for dollar and CAD. There will be if we look at the Tuesday coming up, core retail sales, and then for CAD also high impact news coming. We might find a very good movement on gold, especially gold. This trend on gold is absolutely bullish, because we see that there are quite a few. This is a liquidity candle bounce, and there's another liquidity candle bounce. So along the way, if you look at the 15-minute chart, it is an high level of liquidity candle formation in this area, so which is very important to look at. If we look at in this market, quite a few liquidity candle formation that we see in this market. So on gold, we can see that liquidity candle formation. And if we look at euro dollar and Gbpusd, also we see that very strong trend. If we look at the GJ, looking at Gbpusd from the weekly and also from the monthly, looking at the monthly on Gbpusd, what we can see that from the monthly, this is the resistance line where there is a liquidity grab on GJ, massive amount of liquidity grab on Gbpusd. And with that liquidity grab, what we have seen that there is a rejection from the monthly, and we can expect on GJ for the market to break below further, and I think that the price may drop down further on GJ. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly, the previous week there is a bearish engulfer, followed by this week what we have seen that there is also another bearish candle. And if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is the bearish drop, and we can see that narrow doji formation, quite a few from the daily. So after yesterday's liquidity candle, which is you can see narrow green candle, which in fact crossed the previous candle's high and then drop back down. If we look at the 4 hour, what we can see that also a very strong drop here on GJ. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, dropping down to the lower time frame, we can see that this is the 15 minutes perspective. If you look at the 1 hour also, you can see there is a long wick doji, a very strong rejection, back to back two liquidity candle formation in that area on Gbpusd. After this drop, we can see the market now on a pullback, and with that pullback, if we look at the 15 minutes, what we can see that on GJ for the price to okay, so what we can see here, this is a resistance at the moment. We might see that on Gbpusd may drop back down here for potentially after breaking to the upside. Traders, guys, and you can see after this drop we can expect deeper pullback here on GJ, and then to come back down again to create a new lower low. Okay, so here we can see that also this is an important level of resistance line. And if we look at the 4 hour resistance, I think GJ, if it is hitting that resistance line on the 4 hour, we might see short-term reaction here towards the downside that we can expect on Gbpusd. We'll see how far it might be going, and then we can expect for the market to drop back down again to create a new lower low. Let's see where it is going. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, don't miss out to like this stream, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Salim Shikdar, you should be getting an email. Let me see straight away to the team. 1 second. Salim Shikdar, have you let us know? Okay, I think your email was bounced. We are resending it. Okay, so have been sent to you. You can use it now. You can check it, your email address. Thank you, including the junk folder. Okay, so now what we can see here on GBPJPY, we can see that in this area on GJ, this is a very strong bounce. Okay, pullback, another bounce, deeper pullback. We can see another bounce, expecting for the market to in this area. This is an important level of resistance. Okay, so with that in mind, on GBPJPY, okay, so here we can see the market primarily trying to break below after a break of this resistance. It's the 1 minute chart. We might find some short-term drop here on GBPJPY. We'll see that how far it goes. So if we look at the 4 hour, where this is a support level on the 4 hour, and I think we might see, if we look at the 1 hour again, the volatility is a little less on GBPJPY than anything else. So I will be waiting for further confirmation. We'll see that on gold. Now gold looks impressive now at the moment to me. It's coming to a level where there is a high liquidity. Okay, so if you look at the daily, it's coming to the daily support on the 4 hour, and if we look at the 1 hour, 15 minutes. So what we can expect in this instrument, this is the 5 minutes and the 1 minute chart. Also the 1 minute, we can see quite a few 1 minute candle. So we can see that the 1 minute, the price on gold is highly bullish. Therefore, in this bull market, expecting it to break below lower time frame. Okay, so you can see that this is an important level of support on gold. It's a very important support, expecting for the market to bounce. So you can see it's on the support level. And if you guys are enjoying, don't hesitate to like this stream, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Wanting to find some better opportunity. Hello sir, I was winner of Friday. Okay, so Salim Sikdari was sent. Afternoon from rainy the Netherlands. Welcome, Netherlands, very nice country, you know, very good. Thank you for joining. Where can I join? You can use the, so once you receive the email, you can find information on the email, coupon and all of this. Check your email. I think it was the Yahoo email. The email was sent is, let me know if it is what it is. So the email was sent out to you is ending with 30@yahoo.com. There is some other figure, 30@yahoo.com. If this one is your email, then you can check it on your email. Thank you. So let's look at now. You see that guys, this drop on gold is for me coming to an important support, especially to the daily support. If you look at the you can see this is an important support, which is 2559. And if the market drop to that support, which is a pretty important level that we can look for potential entry. And also it's aligning with the daily support. Okay, so you can see that it's aligning with the daily support. Thank you. Welcome guys. So dropping, expecting to drop down to that liquidity zone, which is an important support level. And also very important announcement is that guys, at the end of the live session, like every day, there will be giveaway on liquidity candle. So what is liquidity candle? Is one of my favorite trading strategy. Also currently I'm trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy with all the members. So if you are winning that at the end of the giveaway, you also will be able to join us in the lifetime access, as well as trading together using the liquidity candle, and being part of the trading community as well. Thank you. So you can see some kind of initial bounce from the support on gold. This is the 1 minute and 4 hour chart that I'm looking at. So this is a liquidity candle formation also. So you can see this is the 1 minute chart. There is a bullish engulfer in that area with a liquidity candle as well. Okay, so you can see there is a bullish candle, and in that bull candle expecting for the market to bounce back up potentially, but at the moment I'm not entering because my expectation to come down for the price a little, because we might see potential bounce from the support. It's a very strongly bull market, but if we see another attempt from the seller, we can look for entry. What we can see in this area is that the price grabbing the liquidity. So it's an important support, and we can see there is a potential bounce. I think gold might try to bounce back up again from here. There is a significant rejection from the support. We might find a potential entry. I'm just checking the risk reward, guys. It's still not entering, so let me see how many pip stop loss that we might need to place. 31 to it's gonna be poor risk reward, but the probability is higher, so I would work on probability here, putting a little bit down to make it 1-to-1. We might be able to find higher probability setup, so I will be placing a buy stop at 2566. We might get a very quick entry here. So buy stop at 2566.70, stop loss at 2563.71, and TP at 2569.72. So we see that the market started to bounce, so we'll be entering by market. It's a important so you have entered. So I have opened by market on gold here, which is from here expecting it to bounce back up with 31 pip stop loss. Tight risk management is absolutely important. So around 30 pip stop loss, risk management is very important. Not more than 1% risk is allowed in this trade. Not more than 1% risk allowed. So very important, guys, that we do the risk management. Thanks for joining the live session, guys. So we'll be looking to see how the market might be doing here. We are on a trade on gold and I want to secure some peep here. Okay, so the market going up in our favor. Let's catch some peep and I'll let you know what I'll be doing with the trade, holding it to catch 30 pip possible if on gold. So expecting 30 pip bounce. Welcome. So you see that the market started to bounce and expecting it to go back to the resistance to catch some I'm running in profit at the moment, and we see that here is 10 pip up, waiting for the market to give us at least 25 to 30 pip. As the trend is up, there is a room for bounce. So we'll see if it is moving back to the upside again. The price action is bullish and wanting to see that it's moving back up. Thanks for joining the live session, guys. Hope that you are enjoying. If you are enjoying the live session, don't hesitate to like this stream, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So I appreciate your support to the channel. For more ideas and content, join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Wanting to see that the market is going back up to the resistance, and we see that after break of this high, dropping back down again, but I think expecting to go back up to the resistance line, the 5-minute chart. And with that 5 minutes price action, we can see there is a long doji, the price at entry. So what I think that thank you. Welcome, welcome. We see that bounce back up. Wanting to see move back to the upside, guys, make sure you give a thumbs up if you're enjoying the live session. So we see that trend continuation, which is good for us to see. Awesome. We see that some improvement, bounce towards the upside. Expecting it to move back to the upside to see how far it is going. And in the meantime, traders watching from Nigeria, welcome. Good day, watching from Zambia, thank you. Thanks for your response. Salim, very good, thank you. Thank you. Welcome, thank you. Ghana, greeting from Nigeria, thank you. Good afternoon. Muscat, welcome, welcome. And join the free Telegram channel. Don't miss out gold lifetime, please. Time frame. Okay, so we see that on 1 minute that you are trading. Are you trading one lot? I don't trade fixed lot. I trade based on the risk management. I trade based on risk management. Thank you. So you can see that here, this is an important from the 1 minute forming another doji. Okay, so there is the sudden drop. This one, I think, if this one is a liquidity grab, then we can expect again bounce. We'll see. Thank you. Okay, you can see that there is a long week candle, and now as we are long on this trade, we'll be waiting to see for the market to bounce to the resistance. Thank you, guys. Okay, so doji formation, and in fact I wanted to see that gold has broken that high. Looks like that we are on the right track, but expected a bit more stronger bullish bounce. A little in a consolidation, and okay, so here what we can see, this is an important level of support, expecting for the market to trend in the direction to the upside to create a new higher high. And yeah, we can see potential bounce here. So there is a doji. One-minute bullish candle, expecting it to um, break to the upside, which we may see, may not see. Let's see if we can hold, or okay, we can. So the 30 minutes, if we look at from 30 minutes, it's a bullish rejection candle. Now with the rejection, what we can expect, a weak fill, that's what I'm expecting. But if it isn't, then we need to see what kind of price action is forming. If it is forming a structure like that, okay, that's not expected. But if we see breaking out, yeah, we'll be holding it, because we are in at entry or profit. And once we see enough improvement, we can look for. Good, thank you very much. I'm catching it first time, sir. Welcome. If you're first time, make sure, guys and girls, you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So here is the key. We can see that there is a rejection coming up, and with that rejection, that's not good. Okay, so in from 30 minutes, if we look at 15 minutes, one hour, okay, so it's not breaking out as expected. So we'll be waiting here for the market to go to our entry, because what I think that we might need to go out with this one break even, and then we will be re-entering. Not now, we need to see upside, and then we can look for break even before re-entering. I think we might see now a deeper pullback. This upside rejection is not as expected. So if you go break even, then shouldn't have any issues. So we have seen that primary reject. We can expect upside again. Here you can see it's now trying to bounce back up. So okay, we see bounce, and that bounce is expected. Okay, near to our entry. So I'm closing mine with a little bit of profit, or break even, whatever situation, we will be re-entering. I think this trade may not going as expected, so I'm closing at break even now, and we will be re-entering again So gold break even, we will be re-entering. I managed to close up with little bit of profit. We'll be re-entering because the price action is not as expected. Okay, so we have given that on gold. It's a break even, and with that break even, expecting it to bounce back up. So I'm out with gold, and we will be re-entering as soon as we will find it. And also thank you for joining the live session. We'll be looking for a re-entering. Let's see what's happening with the Gbpusd. Okay, GJ is approaching that resistance line. I think GJ might also reject. There is a head and shoulder formation on Gbpusd here. I wouldn't be interested yet until we see a clear pathway in this market. Thank you. Okay, so you can see that the market on Gbpusd started to break below, and GJ currently not in a very healthy position. I will be looking at here on gold to see what's happening. Gold, you can see it's a little bit in a sideway at the moment, but we might see local trend. It might try to bounce back up. Thank you, guys. There is a doji formation, and let's see how far it might be going. So ultimately it's bouncing back up. I'm out, but it's ultimately bouncing back in that direction. Thank you. So you can see that from the 1 minute. What kind of price action it is forming is very important also. And let's see. Thanks for the trade. Welcome watching from Botswana. Thank you for we'll go to 2570 down to 25. Yeah. Do you think buying at premium Miracush will be nice idea? I think that the best way, because always better to trade with the trend. So if we look at here, what we can see that this market, this is a very strongly, you know, very strongly bull market, and in the bull market, we will be waiting for potential bullish setup, as we already had a trade on the upside. Because if you look at the daily chart on gold, we can see that from the daily as well, this is a daily support, and with the daily support, what we can expect for the market also moving back to the upside with the momentum. So we'll be looking to see what kind of price action is forming. A little bit slower movement, but I think because it's weekend, we might see again a pickup in the volatility later in the NY session. From I think in 15 minutes time we might see increased in volatility with the 30 minutes candle close. And also the euro dollar, guys, what we can see that on euro dollar there is a bounce. See what kind of price action euro dollar is forming. The price almost has dropped to the liquidity zone. Previous session back to liquidity candle here on the 15 minutes. So you could see a potential entry. So look at the 1 minute here on euro dollar. Just looking at to see there's an opportunity on euro dollar. So you can see that euro dollar, there is a resistance line. I would be looking to see gold again. So here what we can see, from the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Gold is a little bit in a sideway. I will be waiting for a breakout. Let's quickly look at euro dollar and GBPJPY. So from 30 minutes, if we look at, so euro dollar, if it is dropping down, we might find potential on entry. So if the market coming to 20 EMA on euro dollar to this support, then we might find that potential trading opportunity on euro USD. So here is, if you look at lower time frame, so back to doji formation in that area. After forming back to dojis in that area, we can see that euro dollar trending to the upside. We might see a bullish trend on euro dollar on the lower time frame, while we can see that on gold also local bullish trend here in that area. Thank you. So here we can see slowly it's trying to bounce. Anyone has hold the trade euro dollar, we can see also trying to drop in the direction, and on gold is there is a rejection. Thank you for joining the live session. And also guys, I would appreciate if you like the stream to much higher, to 50. If you give a thumbs up, will be helpful. And also don't miss out to join the free Telegram channel, link below this video in the description. What we can see here on the lower time frame, basically the market in fact slowly bouncing back to the upside. So the trend is still up. Well, we can see that on GBPJPY, on GJ, what we can see, So what you can see here from the 1 minute chart on GJ, it's started to break below. With the gold, we can see that there is a bounce. So gold is still trending in that direction. So it's ultimately bouncing back to the 4-hour resistance line. The candle is closing. This is the 4-hour candle. And from the 1 hour, we can see that it's also showing that bullish pattern. Let's look at the 5 minutes. We see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, and the market is bouncing back to the upside. Now, it is important that, when we are trading, we need to look at the liquidity candle formation. Now, especially when this is a liquidity candle, as you can see, and then the market started to bounce. So when we see the price form that liquidity, that's where we can see the market basically moving with a stronger momentum. And that's where we need to look at when we are looking at the market to see how the price is doing, especially from the liquidity perspective. We can see that there is a high probability that the market may continue to move in the major direction of the trend. So the volatility is a little less than expected because of there is no high impact news. But I think at the end of the session, we might see that pickup. Okay, so here is what you can see. This is an important price action confirmation. Okay, we can see that bullish pattern. Ultimately, we see the market heading in that direction. So you can see it is a bullish market at the moment. And let's look at what's happening with the euro dollar and GJ. Euro dollar, we saw that there is a doji formation in that area, and with the doji, I think we might see, because it's almost the weekend. This is the previous liquidity zone here on euro dollar, and with that liquidity zone, if the market is dropping to that support, that's why I did not enter buy, is because there is a probability for another retest, especially to this 20 EMA and to this support, and then we might see that Euro USD is bouncing back to the upside. So this is a doji formation, and so you see 3 15 minutes long week candle. The next one might come back down again to the support and then could bounce back up. So you see there is a doji formation. So this is a 15-minute chart. There is a long week candle, expecting it to drop back down to the support and then to bounce back up. Okay, so you see that gold ultimately has bounced back to our entry. So this is what happened sometime. We see that a trade just got back up without taking us. So it managed to bounce back up, and I think that because it's so we might see the trend continuation again. The trend is very strong on gold. Bigger picture trend, especially the daily 4 hour. If you look at the daily, it is a breakout on the daily, a bounce, and then followed by today also so far bullish, and we may see that the market is moving back to the upside. So you have exit the trade, but in fact it moved back up. I'm waiting for another entry on gold or other instrument. We'll see. Thank you. So we might see that a potential bounce here on gold as the market has moved back from the support. Also at the end of the session there is a giveaway, guys, so don't miss out to stay tuned for joining the the giveaway competition, a liquidity candle giveaway, as well as giveaway of lifetime access to the community, where you can see all my trade. I do share all my trade with entry, stop loss, and take profit target, as well as you will be able to have the opportunity to be mentored by me. So don't miss out to enter into the competition. The only thing that you need, stick till the end, just write down as many comment as possible on the live chat to help us to know exactly what you are looking at, and that will also help us when you become interacting. Waiting for an entry opportunity here on gold or on euro dollar or on Gbpusd. Awesome. So you can see that on the 1 hour the market trend is up, and with that uptrend we will be looking to see how it is doing. Here I'm expecting to remain bullish on gold. Awesome, thank you very much. Very strong bullish market structure at the moment on gold. So here you can see 85 pip. So you can see that this is a pretty strongly bull market. Okay guys, I wanted to see that where it is heading to. That's not fair, doing like that. So you can see that this is a currently very strongly bull market, but this is 5-minute chart forming a long week candle, expecting it to bounce back up to that level. So gold is a little bit in a sideways. So there is a doji, and with that doji formation, let's look at the euro dollar, how it is doing now. As I mentioned, euro dollar is now coming back down to the support, which is absolutely good. So here, if we look at the euro dollar, this is here you can see suddenly bearish price action on the euro dollar, and that might lead this price back to the support on the daily. Yeah, so we might see retest and then bounce back up, while we can see that gold is just tested the support and again bounced back up. It also can come down for grabbing liquidity. This is a 5-minute chart on gold, forming another liquidity candle. So this is the 5-minute chart, and what we can do here, if we look at gold, this is the 5 minutes. The market dropped down for a deeper pullback. So there is a drop here, grab liquidity, and then to bounce back up. So this 5 minutes candle is a potential liquidity candle formation. So this is a liquidity candle formation. How many pip? 15 pip. I'll be looking to catch 15 pip here on gold. Stop loss below this low. There will be I will be buying here. So with 30 pip stop loss, and I would like to catch this couple of pips here, because I wouldn't keep a bigger reward here, as the market may again come back down for a deeper pullback. So here I will be going by market, catching 16 pip on gold, trying to catch, but at the same time, guys, make sure that you do proper risk management, which is key. So we have opened another position on gold. It's a short-term opportunity. For short-term movement on gold, and we'll see that how far it is going, expecting it to go back up to give us to this resistance, which will give us at least 16 to 18 pip in this move. Bouncing back up. It's a quick trade. You can see that bounce. We see that pretty strong bullish momentum, expecting it to go back to the TP hit. Almost nearly to the hitting the TP to get the 16 pip for the day. The previous one was break even. Okay, TP hit on gold and got that 16 pip, almost 17 pip with me. Awesome. We've done that, and yeah, we got that. Guys, have you got it? Let me know how you found this trade. Thank you very much. Drop to 5. So how did you fix the target for gold? To this resistance level, there is a previous resistance here. So we fix the target at previous resistance. Coach, what is your advice to me, my fellow beginner? Okay, definitely. If you are a beginner, the best advice would be is to trade small and learn the risk management. That's the first advice. And also learn to control the emotion, or learn how to manage emotion when you are trading, which is very important, because it's the biggest struggle that every trader faces is emotion. Okay, so emotion is very important. If you don't know how to manage the emotion, it's gonna be very hard for you to become profitable as a trader. So it's important that, as a trader, you always manage the emotion, learn to manage the emotion, and then trade with the trend, learn technical aspect. This is the main advice that I would give as a beginner, is always stick to the trading plan. And also we have, if you are in the academy, then I'm not sure if you are on there, then must go through all the foundation courses. Will help you to get back to learning the risk management, and also how to develop a very sound trading psychology, which is very important. And most traders failed on that point. Having developing sound trading psychology is very important if you are a beginner as a trader. So make sure you emphasize on developing sound trading psychology, which most people don't focus on. But I would say that this is the best thing that you can do to develop, to work on your trading psychology if you are a beginner as a trader. Because when you work on developing the trading psychology, you always go ahead of many other traders with you. So which is very essential if you want to be successful as a trader. So you see that we have another successful session. We'll be looking to find some more trading opportunity. We still have some more time, and also there's a giveaway at the end of the session, so don't miss out any part of this live session. Stick till the end of this live session to enter into the competition of the giveaway of liquidity candle, as well as the mentorship program coming with it. So you will be able to access a full mentorship program as well as the liquidity candle giveaway with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to learn and grow as a trader with me. So don't miss out. At the end of the session, there will be that giveaway. So the running trade. You guys ready for the giveaway? Done. So let's see. Now we will be looking for the potential giveaway. So potential, not obvious giveaway. And I believe that you guys are ready for that. We are almost at the end of the session. We had another successful trade. So let's look at giveaway. Looking at giveaway, and I'm bringing that up. Ready for it, guys? We'll be looking at the keyword. Okay, so the keyword for the giveaway, as expected, it's liquidity. So liquidity is the keyword. You can write that down to be eligible for entering into the competition. Well done. Welcome. Thank you. So entering into the competition for giveaway, you can write the liquidity. Thank you. Welcome, welcome, guys. You can write, we need more members. So you can write liquidity on the live chat to be eligible for entering into the competition. Thank you. We have found 12 eligible members. You can write the liquidity in the live chat to be entering into the competition, and then we will be rolling it up. Welcome guys. You can write that child. So you got 17 eligible members. You will be waiting for 30 members. You can write down liquidity in the live chat so that you are entering into the competition of the giveaway. And also don't miss out to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you're not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. So you got 18 eligible members to enter into the competition. So you have got 20 eligible members entered into the competition. Thank you. So we are about to roll it up. So 21 eligible members, 22 members. So let's roll it up to see who is winner. We saw the Lord Dev. Lord Dev is today's winner of the liquidity candle. Thank you, Lord. Congratulations. You can visit the website, use the contact us page to send us your detail. We will be sending you the liquidity candle straight away, as well as the mentorship, access to the academy. It is a great pleasure, traders trading together. Another successful trading day. It's weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Tomorrow there will be educational content, and also after tomorrow there will be also weekly forex forecast. Another week coming up, massive week. Stay energized, stay tuned. We'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.